Well, this is the only day we're going to get it. But today we're getting smoke from Canadian wildfires in South Carolina. Can you believe it? Hazy, filmy, cloudy air. I've never seen the sky look that color of orange before. Especially back over there behind them trees, it's glowing orange. They say we're going to get a bad storm tonight. It's going to blow all this stuff out, so it's a one-night event only. But it sure is crazy that a big pile of smoke can travel all the way from Canada down here. If you're getting smoke from the Canadian wildfires, let me know in the comments below. Be sure to include where you're at, and I'll be back with another update. Hopefully.